Om Namah Shivaya everyone. Much gratitude to all of you for joining here. In today's video, I'll share why it is so difficult to let go of someone or something. So the situation of letting go could be in the form of death, breakup, shift, or any other physical or emotional change in relations too. That what stops us that we prefer chaos over letting go. It's not the heart, it's the mind that holds on to the chaos. Our brain. This situation could happen to those people too who are involved in it with you, the opposite party. Usually, you don't remember the person, place, or thing. You usually remember the neural pathways that form with them, like how the person has treated you, how the person has done, what happened in the incident, etc. etc. The brain takes time to let go of connections because it's a biological process. It's not an emotional process to let go. Healing happens slowly, layer by layer, because it is biological healing. As this is a step-by-step process, let's understand how can we let go gradually. First step is when the mind acknowledges and accepts that everything is not in my control. Some things are beyond control. Then, as second step, the emotional process of letting go begins. Whatever emotions of pain, anger, frustration, anxiety are there as per any person's situation, most of the people reach the third step after emotional processing. This third step is about forgiveness and detachment. Now, here the illusion begins, where people think that they have forgiven the situation or person where actually they were not able to do that because they were still at step 2 of emotional processing. Due to drop of consciousness and ignorance, the soul does not have the power to process emotions. So to gain this strength, usually people connect with the gods, and gods in return connects us with our soul, which is God himself, and our energy shifts. But this is also a step where most of the people fail because they want instant results, and these two steps take the maximum time, the emotional processing and forgiveness and detachment. Letting go means going into the no effect zone of that incident, thing, people, or place. But this doesn't mean that you have forgotten that incident. You have just overcome from the emotional chaos of that situation. That's why it is not bothering you. So, in this situation, one has to be patient to process letting go. This step by step process continues with some other patterns too. And that's why usually healing also continues and becomes a long or sometimes never ending process also. During the process, we must understand that something you cannot control must allow that to go. But do take strength from God, who is always within, so that you can fully let the suffering go. During this whole process, be aware of your thoughts and give yourself time to heal. Patience is the key. With this, I hope this message helps you well. With gratitude to ancient teachers, much love.